All right, welcome back, guys. This episode is going to be a little different. Hydro-catalytic converters, because we're going scrapping. So we've been turning a lot of work out of this shop, doing a lot of stuff off camera, things like that. And so the scrap pile has gotten pretty big to where it's overflowing now. So figured you guys could come on a little journey with me. So stay tuned. I guess it could be a fun little trip. I drive, you watch. I scrap stuff for money. I'll talk about the truck a little bit, and I don't know, you're just coming with me. So let's buckle up and let's go. As you can see, fellas, I wasn't kidding. Look at that. Most of it's big rig stuff, but yeah, she's overflowing. So let's load this up in the back and let's get scrapping. These are light. CV axles, heat shields, and rotors. Well, she's all loaded up, ready to go. Found a battery. Decent amount. Scrap. Freight train going by. Yeah, got a decent amount. Man, those drum brakes off a truck, or off a big rig, they're pretty heavy. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice graffiti. Or train art, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, got a bumper off of Kenworth. And just everything else. So, let's get rolling. Not too sure if I'm overloaded either, but that tire's pretty flat on the bottom. Oh well. Let's hope this little inline 6 holds. Alright. I've never hauled this much weight before in this truck, so I'm hoping I got decent breakage. Kinda. Good enough to make it to the scrapyard, if I do make it. Ooh. Wind's picked up and it's a little shaky right now. I'm doing 45. I really feel the tire rolling. I don't know if this was a good idea or not. It's a couple miles to the scrapyard, but still. Eastbound down, loading up and trucking. We're going to do the thing that can't be done. Oops. Sorry. Whoops. Nice, Brendan. Alright, so now I'm just waiting to go up onto the scale house. Pretty busy today, which is strange. And then again, there's a fancy Peterbilt to look at least. There's the scale house right over there. So I'm just leaving the scrapyard now. And my truck is definitely a lot happier. I had about 1,600 pounds worth of scrap metal. Not too bad. decent money scrapping. Like if you have a bunch of old car parts laying around, old exhaust, car batteries, starters, anything. Any local scrapyard will pretty much take them. I think batteries are $8 a pop now. Not too bad. I mean, some places are more, some places are less. It all just, you know, fluctuates, but this will definitely go back into the car funds, maybe beer funds, Jameson, I don't know. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap up the video here. It's a really warm day out, so I'm going to power wash the truck. Got to knock all that salt off. It's quite warm for a winter day. I think it's like 45, probably feels like 50 out. I'm going to power wash all the gunk out of the bed, all that good stuff. But yeah, thanks for coming with me to the scrapyard. It was fun. Made some decent money, basically as much as I paid for this truck. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe think about subscribing. Hit that bell thingy somewhere. I guess that tells you when I have a video coming out or when it does come. I don't know what it does, but yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next one. So see you then.